I just love people, and I love working with people, caring for people, and I enjoy seeing people grow and learn. I'm originally from Ohio, Lorain, Ohio specifically, right on the lake, right on Lake Erie. I actually was raised for the first 9 years of my life by my grandmother, and so we spent a lot of time together. My family, we were a very close-knit family. Aunts, uncles, mom, dad, brother, and now my son. We're very, very close. My son's name is Jason. He is 22 years old, and I'm so proud of him. He is truly my best friend. He does know that now. I was probably a pretty strict mom growing up, though, because I wanted the best for him. I would say that my core values stem around my beliefs in God. It's important for me to be ethical. It's important for me to have trusting relationships. I began working in long-term care on the assisted living side, and kind of midway between doing that and becoming working in operations, it hit me like a ton of bricks, this passion to actually touch the patients. And I decided to go to school to be a nurse. Being a nurse's nurse, having done it myself, really allows me to be empathetic to their situations, right? I've spent time on the floor. I've spent time in situations where patients may or may not have made it through the situation that they were dealing with. So I know how that can hurt your heart when you're the caregiver. Really, it's the staff that teach you how to be a good leader. People tell you how they want to be treated. And if you listen and you observe, you will be successful in that way. What keeps me inspired are the people. Not just the people we care for every day, but the staff. Making sure that we take care of them as well. And watching them grow and develop and flourish. The future of nursing at Trinity Mid-Atlantic is creating an environment in which nurses are working at the top of their license, providing good quality care to patients, and feeling like they're in an environment where they feel valued and appreciated. And when you can create that for your teams, they'll work extremely hard for the people that they're serving. Things are done by God's design, and I'm here for a reason in the Mid-Atlantic, and I pray that I can make a really positive impact on people's lives.